The Chinese traveler Huan Sang came to India during the reign of answer is option B Harshvardhan. Friends, Huan Sang, a Chinese Buddhist pilgrim who came to India during the reign of King Harshvardhan. He was arriving in 630 AD. He stayed for 15 years studying Hinyan and Mahayana Buddhism in such monasteries as Kashmir, Sialkot, Kannauj, and Nalanda. Fahyan came to India during the reign of Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. Name the famous one-horned rhinoceros wildlife sanctuary in Assam. Answer is option A Kaziranga. Friends, Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is one of the India's oldest reserve areas. It is located in Golaghat and Nagaon in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam in northeast India. The park is administered by the Forest Department of the Assam State Government. It was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. Who among the following introduced the doctrine of lapse? Answer is option A Lord Dalhousie. Friends, the doctrine of lapse of formula formulated by Lord Dalhousie, Governor General of India during 1848 to 56 to deal with questions of succession of Hindu Indian states. Indian states such as Satara, Nagpur and Jhansi were annexed under this policy. Harappa was discovered by. Answer is option B Dayaram Sahni. Friends, the Indus Valley civilization flourished between 2500 BC and 1750 BC. Harappa is a site in eastern Punjab province. Harappa was located on the banks of the river Ravi. Harappa was discovered by archaeologist Dayaram Sahni. He supervised the excavation of the Indus Valley site at Harappa in 1921 and 1922. Harappa site was again excavated by Madho Swarup Vats in 1926 and Wheeler in 1946. Which is the city which became the capital of India for only one day? Answer is option D Allahabad. Friends, Allahabad, now known as Prayagraj, was founded by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1583. Akbar named it Allahabad. In 1858 AD, Allahabad was declared the capital of India for a day. At the time Allahabad was made the capital of India, it was the capital of the northwestern province. The McMahon line is a border line between dash. Answer is option D India and China. Friends, the McMahon line is a border line between China, Tibetan region and India, northeast region. This line is proposed by the administrator of British colonial Henry McMahon in the Simla Convention in 1914. It was signed between Tibetan representatives and the British. With reference to the administration of Delhi Sultanate, which of the following was the Department of State Correspondence? Answer is option B Diwan-e-Insa. The blank was a territorial assignment given to administrative officers and nobles in lieu of the services they performed for the state during Delhi Sultanate. Answer is option D Ikta. Who among the following authored Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Answer is option C Dadabhai Naoroji. Friends, Dadabhai Naoroji was popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India. He is the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. He helped found the London Indian Society and East India Association. In 1885, Dadabhai Nauroji became a vice president of the Bombay Presidency Association. Thomas Cup is a blank. Answer is option A, biennial event. Friends, the Thomas Cup is a biennial event, which means it takes place once every 2 years. It is the most prestigious international badminton team championship for the men, organized by the Badminton World Federation. The first Thomas Cup tournament was held in 1948-49 and it was named after the Sir George Allen Thomas, a former English badminton player and the founder of the International Badminton Federation. Law of inertia is also known as blank. Answer is option A, Newton's first law of motion. At which place was the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association formed in 1928? Answer is option C, Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi. Friends, the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association HSRA was founded at Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi by Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapa in 1928. Hindustan Republican Association was the earlier name of this party. The Amrita Devi Bishnoi National Award is given for. Answer is option D, wildlife protection. Who among the following built the Charminar in Hyderabad? Answer is option C, Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Friends, Charminar in Hyderabad was constructed by the Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. It was constructed in 1591. It is located on the banks of Musi River. Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah was the fifth ruler of Qutb Shahi dynasty. What is the rank of India's AI supercomputer Airavat in global supercomputing list released in May 2023? Answer is option C, 75. In the Hindu temples of South India, Vimana is referred to. Answer is option A, the temple tower over the main shrine. What is the reduction in the value of factors during the production process called? Answer is option B, depreciation. Which among the following enzymes helps in breaking down fats? Answer is option C, lipase. Friends, lipase are enzymes that help in breaking down fats in the body. They are primarily produced by the pancreas and are secreted into the small intestine. World Bank headquarters is located at blank. Answer is option C, Washington DC. Friends, the World Bank is headquartered in Washington DC and was established in 1944. It has membership of total 189 countries. Present chairman is David Malpass and present managing director is Ansula Kant. Highest sex ratio according to census 2011 is of which state? Answer is option D, Kerala. And friends, you know the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram.